Thank you for watching the ESCO Managed IT Creating a Ticket via the Service Portal. The first step of this process is to open the Service Portal. You can do so by, if you are a Windows user, clicking the ESCO Internal Help Desk icon on your desktop, or simply by opening up a browser and navigating to https://connect.esco-tech.net/support. You will then see that you are taken to our support portal login. You will need to then enter your email address and the password that you have either changed to, or if you have not changed your password, it's going to be welcome1. And we will ask you that you need to watch the changing your password video on the YouTube channel. Otherwise, you enter in your password. You will then see that we are now logged into the support portal. This is a basic landing page for all of your activities in the portal. We're going to go ahead and create a ticket by clicking the button Create Ticket. As you can see when the page loads, there's 4 generic services that we have preloaded into the system. As time goes by, we're going to be adding more specific issues for the services, and we will be pre-populating the description with designated questions so that we can best troubleshoot your issues. But you will see that we do have a managed IT issue, a TV generic issue, an internet generic issue, and a voice generic issue. For this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and select managed IT issue. And as you can see, it has pre-populated a subject in the title. This helps us to create workflows to get the issue to the correct person and get it escalated properly. So we're going to go ahead and ask that you just append to the current title and just put a brief summary of what your issue is. So for example, we're going to put cannot access the NOC folder. So as you can see, we have some predetermined questions that we need to know prior to troubleshooting your issue. So the first question for the managed IT is, was this working before? And in this scenario, I'm going to say yes. Have you rebooted since you encountered this issue? And I'm going to say yes. What has changed since it hasn't worked? And in this scenario, I'm going to say nothing, because to my knowledge I haven't. How is this affecting your productivity? Now in this case, you just need to be honest and how often do you access the NOC folder, what are you needing to access it for. So cannot the working install folder so I can update. And as you can see, it has a scroll bar to the right. What is your requested turnaround time for this issue? So that would be the end user, you. How fast would you like to see this issue resolved realistically? So as you can see, after we filled out all those questions, you have the ability to add more details for your issue. So if you wanted to just add a description or something else that we may need to know underneath those questions, you can do so just by typing here. And then as you can see, once you're done putting the problem description in, there is an attached document. So you may be entering a ticket that has a screenshot that's associated with it, or some form of documentation that's needed to be reviewed. This is where you would need to click attached document and then navigate to wherever you have that document saved, and you can simply attach it to the ticket. The next field that we're going to change is the due date. This is the requested due date that you would have for this issue. So for instance, today is May 22nd. I'm going to go ahead and select May 22nd. And then you have the ability to flag this as an emergency or not an emergency. So in this case, it's not an emergency, so I'm going to go ahead and leave this box unclicked. And then as we scroll down, you're going to see that the contact details for my account is listed down here. Now, in the first video of changing your password and updating your contact information, we would have already updated all of this. But if you have not done that step, then you need to go ahead and edit it here so that we can get a hold of you properly. So once you have all this information entered in here, you need to go ahead and just review and confirm that everything looks good, and then click Submit. Once you do click Submit, you will see Creating Service Ticket. And once that is done and updated, you'll see that the portal states that you have an open ticket here on the left-hand side. Managed IT cannot access the knock folder. And that is how you create a service ticket on the service portal. Thank you.